What's up, YouTubers? Here in a Volkswagen Jetta, I'm going to show you how to remove your personal information, your personal data, and all your vehicle data before returning a lease car or a rental so someone doesn't have all your personal data. Here we go. You want to make sure to remove the information from the MMI. I'm turning in the car today, so I'm going to do a full system restore of factory settings. So I'm going to reset all data and settings right over here. So I went through, clicked menu, then I clicked settings. Then I'm going to come down all the way to factory settings. Okay. And then I'm going to do reset all settings and data. Okay. Now I'm sure that I want to reset this data. Go ahead and hit reset. Now you need to make sure to do the last step, which is to delete the primary user from the VW CarNet. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to hit delete over here and on a few screens coming up. So hit delete right now. See where it says on the bottom primary user, delete primary user. That's what you're going to go ahead and click. And it's going to ask me, are you sure you want to delete primary user? I'm going to click delete. Now it has deleted me and my information is no longer stored. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.